Hey, what's up, y'all? This your boy Smitty. Welcome to East Peak. This channel is about exploring cities across Asia, the culture, the energy, and the unforgettable moments along the way. And today, we're kicking things off in an incredible place. Wonder where that is? That is Lijiang, China. I kid you not, this place had almost everything. Wild nature, a peaceful wooden hotel, a packed yacht, and one of the most powerful rivers I've ever seen in my life. Trust me, this one's worth watching till the end. You're gonna thank me later. Lijiang is one of those places that feels calm and intense at the same time. You've got mountains all around, fresh air, and a deep sense of history everywhere you go. This area is also home to different ethnic minority groups, which makes the culture here really special. Before visiting the Tiger Leaping Gorge, we spent the night at this beautiful Tibetan minority wooden hotel. And honestly, this place really surprised me. My apology, y'all. I failed to take some exterior shot to share with y'all. Discovered that this place was a family-owned hotel, completely built from wood. We were told that it cost $20 million to build this place. They used 250 large trees in the process. And that number sounded crazy at first, but once you step inside, it completely makes sense. Check out the wooden ceiling, the carvings, the warm colors. This place is massive. The only thing I've abhorred about it, just the bathroom area. I feel like the shower could have been separated from the toilet. Other than that, this place was cool. It's cozy, clean, peaceful, and serene. After a long day of traveling, this place was exactly what we needed. Check out the wooden beams of this place. The floor, shiny floor. Service was excellent. You notice the motion of this video is quite fast. I just want to get you guys a quick visual of the place. We arrived there quite late. And I said, let me take a quick shot. But I guess I wasn't aware of that. I was moving the camera so fast. That night, I was already excited, but also thinking, if the hotel is this nice, tomorrow is going to be wild. And yeah, tomorrow definitely delivered. The next day, we woke up early and hit the road. We took a yacht cruise on the river. When I say yacht, this thing was completely full of people. It felt ecstatic, free. It's like one of those moments where you just stop thinking and enjoy where you are. Standing up there with the river below and the mountains around us. Yeah, this was a vibe. That cruise honestly felt like the perfect warm-up, because after that... Right now, I'm at the Tiger Leaping Gorge. Looky here, look at this beautiful mountain. Park here, all the buses, all the tours. Look at this view right here. I'm gonna walk right down there. Look at the mountain, look at this. Such a beautiful view. Oh my gee. Look at this. So lovely here.
So lovely. Get all the people down there. Can't get no better. Can't get no better. To be continued. I'll show you some much more of my journey here. Remember this Tiger Leaping Gorge. Gorge or George, not George, couldn't be George. I'll let you guys figure it out. Wow, look at this. Woo! Place still under construction, as you can see here. I guess they're still doing some renovation. To be continued. Wow, look at this view here. It's colossal here. Look at this view right now. Oh my goodness. Woo! Look at this. Remember last time when I was above? I was filming from above, looking down, and I showed you guys that little balcony. This is where I'm at right now. As you can see, there are so many people here. We're filming it. It's beautiful. Look at the water, look at the sea, look at the mountain. Woo! Look at that wave. Oh my goodness. Wow. The water. Very angry. Wow, I'm gonna get closer. Take a better view. Wow. Wow, look at this. This is a bit scary. I'm afraid the water might get a little high. Might get a little bit higher and people might start getting splashed. It looks like it's getting closer and closer.
因为它是逆向的来回，逆向拉系统，还有称为母系社会。是，我昨天在晚上们瞧我台词了，所以它就称为母系社会。是所有女。
It's getting closer.
Do you have umbrella out?
It's in my book bag. It's getting closer. We have to go back up. Look at this.
Let me close
The wave, it came over from over there, now it's getting closer and closer.
Really?
Yes.
Tiger Leaping Gorge. This place is no joke. It's one of the largest gorges in the world, carved by the Jingsha River, which later becomes part of the Yangtze. And trust me, this river does not play around. So, if you're still watching, you made the right choice. And that tells me you're a bona fide explorer. And I wish you were here to watch with me. As you get closer to this place, you can start hearing the water first, that deep, constant roar, and then you see it. The water crashes to the rocks with insane force. It's loud, it's powerful, and you can see it, you can feel it in your chest. So the mist hits your face, the ground feels alive, and for a moment, everything else disappears. It's fun, it's scary, and it's absolutely unforgettable. Places like this really put things into perspective. No matter where you're from, no matter how busy life gets, nature always reminds you who's really in charge. And I think that's what makes travel so special. It's not just about checking places off a list. It's about moments like this, where you stop, you look around, and you just feel grateful to be there. They say once a tiger once leaped across this gorge to escape a hunter. Standing here now, watching this place explored through the canyon, I believe it. As you can see, the waves got stronger and people started to get splashed, and that's when I knew it was time to make an exit. Wow, what a trip. From a peaceful wooden hotel to a 2-deck yacht cruise fully loaded with people to standing next to one of the largest rivers on earth. This trip had balance, and that's exactly what eSpeak is about. If you enjoy real travel, real moments, and discovering Asia one city at a time, make sure to subscribe, drop a like, and stick around. This is eSpeak, and we're just getting started. I'll see you in the next city. Goodbye.